Hello everybody. So today we are unboxing the BYD battery, which is one of the best batteries on the planet, right? So let's take a look. This is our lithium ion LV 5.0 battery. And yeah, our preliminary mounting components. Let's see what we can, right? We've got one of these, okay? And I am assuming the other one has the same components. So we're just gonna put that aside, right, with all the foam. Right, it does come with the screws and other parts that you're going to need to put it together. Love that. Okay, this particular battery is 5 kilowatt hours, and the amazing thing about the lithium batteries is that you can stack them. So in one stack you can have 4, but you can actually have several stacks of 4. You can stack up to 32 of them if you need more power. So one of the amazing things is that this battery is one of the longest lasting batteries you could ever have. So from the manufacturers you get about 7 years warranty, but the battery itself can last over 10 years. So that's what gives the lithium battery from BYD an edge. And the great thing is that it's really cool with, well, we have different phases. We have 1-phase and 3-phase inverters. Lithium, these batteries are compatible with both of those. All right, so the great thing is this particular battery is compatible with our Victron inverters, our Solis inverters, and our Day inverters. So whether it's 1-phase or 3-phase, this particular battery is perfect. So you get a long-lasting battery. We have amazing safety features from the industry manufacturers, and we have all this long-lasting energy. This particular battery also was manufactured because it's quite affordable, and it's a battery that anybody who really loves quality, but you want it to be within something that you can afford, can go for the BYD lithium ion batteries. So I'm encouraging you to get one of these for your solar system. Right, so thanks to our handy assistants, we managed to get this 45 kg lithium ion battery out. So we're gonna just put the box on the side. You know, they made sure it was well insulated, enough silica to make sure no moisture gets in there. Okay, so now let's look at some of the specs. As you can see, the manufacturer date is at the bottom, and it's from July 2024. So you can actually expect this battery to last you another 10 years. So we're looking at July 2034. And other specifications will be on this black label here. So at the very top, you can see it's written a lithium ion battery, okay, LV5, and all the other battery specifications will be at the bottom. So take time to go through and check these out. Where you see these black dots at the top, this is where the next battery, in case you'd like to expand and scale your system, you want to be able to add batteries on top. So Eagle Vision Engineering is the official supplier of BYD batteries in Zambia. So come give us a visit. We're in Olympia, and you can get you one of these amazing batteries for your home.